Good morning, students. Today we are going to read Chapter 3 of Economics, Poverty as Challenge, Module 5. In our previous module, we read about the various schemes started by the government of India to decrease the poverty and to increase the employment in the country so that poverty can be decreased. Now let us talk about some anti-poverty measures. Anti-poverty measure programs such as National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, the National Food for Work program, the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, etc. have been initiated by the Government of India for the alleviation of poverty. Now let us talk about the problems faced by the rural poor people. First, landlessness. If a person is landless, he will have to do work on others' land. And definitely all life he will earn very less money, and finally what he or she will give to the children? Nothing. And in future their children will also face the life of landless person. Second, unemployment. Unemployment is a major problem by which we can say poverty is increasing day by day. In our country, if we talk about the educated unemployment, it is wide, we can say, it is widespread that people, they are educated but there are no vacancies, there are no places for them for job. They are ready to do the work on running wages but don't find job. Size of family is also responsible for that. We all know very well that if a large family will be there, the income will be distributed in large parts. Means if 10 people are there and 100 rupees is the income, they will get each person 10 rupee. And if 4 person will there, then these 100 rupees will be distributed as 25 rupees. If 2 persons are there only, then 50-50 they will get. So large families are also responsible for the poverty. Illiteracy is also a cause of poverty, that an illiterate person is not able to earn well. Malnutrition is also a cause of poverty, because a person who is facing the malnutrition, then he will face various diseases, illness, and a person who faces illness or diseases, he will spend his money on the illness or medicine, and he will always face poverty. Then child labor. If a child is doing labor in the age when he or she should get education, then what he or she will do in future? Definitely all life he will suffer, he will less very small money, less money, and in future what he can or she can give to her or his children, they will not understand the value of education. They will also expect from their children that they should do something like these people. Helplessness. Helplessness is a situation when there is no help for a person from anywhere. This is a direct situation when a person is poor. Now let us talk about in rural areas. If we talk about person Lakha Singh. Lakha Singh belongs to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family does not own any land, so they do odd jobs for their big farmers. At times they get paid rupees 50 for hand day's work. The family's 8 person cannot always manage 2 square meals a day. They live in a kacha hut in the outside of the village. The women of the family spent the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the field. He had to start earning when he was 10 years old. His father is a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to lack of medication. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly ebbing away. Although the village has a primary school, Lakha never went there and started earning when he was of 10 year only. New clothes are brought once in a few years and even soap and oil are luxury for the family. Now, which steps taken by the government to reduce rural poverty? As we have discussed about the Lakha Singh, in the rural area he is living, so many people are like Lakha Singh. Now what government is going to do for these rural poor people? The government of India has been trying to its best to remove poverty. Some of the measures which the government has taken to remove rural poverty we will discuss here. Small farmers development programs government has started. Broad area development program is also being started. Minimum needs program, national rural employment program and assurance of employment. These type of programs have been started by the government in rural areas. Thank you. Next we will read in our next module.